It's been more than a decade since a former Albuquerque Public School superintendent resigned with a big payout. The reason has been unclear ever since. Well, now we are closer to finding out why. Jason McNabb has the new court decision.
It's probably been a while since you've heard the name Winston Brooks. As superintendent of Albuquerque Public Schools over a decade ago, he was controversial for multiple incidents inside of the workplace.
A controversial tweet he wrote about Education Secretary Hannah Scandera.
And outside of it.
It was just after 9 in the morning, November 13th, which was the third day of Winston Brooks' suspension from Albuquerque Public Schools for a recent Twitter scandal. Brooks called deputies to his Cedar Crest home.
My wife is in here.
What is your name?
She's Winston Brooks.
I'm not doing anything.
Now, she broke the window to get into the house.
In 2014, a law firm was hired to investigate a personnel issue Brooks was involved in. In August of that year, he resigned, with taxpayers bearing the brunt of his $350,000 buyout. Albuquerque residents, and even then Governor Susana Martinez, not happy at the time.
And you should not receive some sort of parachute of thousands and thousands of taxpayer dollars.
Allegations of workplace intimidation and retaliation against Brooks coming after the resignation. Despite this, no reason was ever given for why he resigned, and it remains unknown to this day. Multiple media outlets, including our partners at the Albuquerque Journal, requested the findings of that personnel issue investigation to try and find answers. After APS refused to cough them up, a lawsuit was filed. The district paying out close to $500,000 in records violation settlements. But the records in question still haven't seen the light of day after the state's appellate court ruled they didn't have to. But that may all soon change following this opinion filed by the New Mexico Supreme Court this Thursday. The court decided the investigation findings must be released following redactions of opinionated information contained in the report. The Journal applauding the decision, stating it, quote, reaffirms the basic principle that transparency in government is of the utmost importance. APS disagrees. In a statement, APS said they're disappointed in the outcome, saying they, quote, believe Thursday's court decision may hurt employees and families by permitting the publication of unfounded or unfair allegations that have not been vetted or reviewed. Despite this, APS says it will fully comply with the court's instruction. Jason McNabb, KOAT, Action 7 News.
A judge has been ordered to redact any opinionated material from that report before it's released.